Sally? Rijntje? Kom. Kom maar, Reina. No? Oké. Kom maar. Kom. Kom maar. Kom dan. Hey. Kom. They don't know they can go the other side. Sally. En Rijntje. Doe maar. Doe maar. Kom. Sally? Please. Kom. Goed zo. Hey Piet. Yes, finally. Oh, bad idea. Okay. Not that long, okay? Okay, a really bad idea. I think Raina did this. Yes, it's a horseshoe. Thank you, Raina. Well, and I saw Rijntje was also jumping around. Goed zo. Hey, Raina. Hey. Hey, Rijntje. There she is again. I first took in Raina, after that the fillies, and then Sally and Rijntje came. No, Rijntje, this is your stall now. No. No. Goed zo. Kom maar, Sally. In de box. Hey, Rocky. Hey. Ah. Hey, Peach. Good morning. Goed zo, Yveske. This is Yveske. And she learns very fast. Goed zo, Yveske. Teraf. Teraf. Kom. Goed zo, braaf. Hey, Reisje. Hallo. Yes. Anywhere. Well, it's good to see him again. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. No. And I'm back home again. But a lot of rain. I'm done with it. The whole day. Yek. Yveske. Boukje. Blomke. And Bella. Okay, the fillies were outside today. And it was rainy. So they are all wet. And they have new straw in their stalls. So which one will be the first going to roll? Oh, first Boukje has to pee. Just like Yveske. Bella is scratching. Hey, Bella. Sally. Boukje. Bella has to pee. Hi there. I'm in the car right now, and I brought my son Ryan to karate, and now I thought I'm going to Stal G because not yesterday but the day before a foal is born. So I'm very curious. Hey Trix. Hey Tjerkje. Goed zo. Hey, goed zo. Ja, goed zo. Herre. That's his name. Herre. Herre. Is that Tjerkje? It's Tjerkje's first foal, and she is a lovely mom. Yes. Yes, you are. Hey. And this is Dolly. And last year, she was also that tiny little foal. Hey, now you are big. Rijn. Hé jongen. Goed zo. And as you can see, she's a bit lighter than black. A bit gray. It happens more often when a foal is born and it's this gray. And later they turn black again. In a couple of weeks we shall see.